Open up. Here's your first bite of cereal. Not quite sure? Can you open up? There's the door. And there's Mom's work. There's Mom's work. What do we got? What do we got here?
What do you do with that, Mom?
Here we go. Let's try it again. Oh! A little bit in the nose. There goes the bobblehead. What do you think? Tiger wants some. Yeah, he wants some.
What are you supposed to do with that stuff?
Can you look at Dad? Daddy's filming you. Mmm. Good old oatmeal. Look at those chunky cheeks. Are you saving them in your cheeks?
You got chipmunk cheeks?
Are you saving it in the cheek? I like squeeze her cheeks and like Poppy's it.
Uh-oh.
A little bit. There we go.
Start blowing on her mouth and see if she'll. Start blowing on her and see if she'll swallow it.
There you go.
Whoa!
Oh, it's a big step. Oh. Oh.
Goes right in, comes right back out. I think it's a little too thick, isn't it?
Not quite sure, huh? Oh, little at a time.
Has she swallowed any of it yet?
Yeah, he's regurgitating some of it, and then. Yeah, are we messy eaters? Oh, you're just gonna lick it off your finger. Is that it? Leah, look at Daddy. Show him your messy face.
Oh, geez.
Yuck. So gross.
At least it's that end, not the other.
Hi. Here we go. That's funny. Want to try another bite? Here you go. Is it bath time already? Oh. I think we need another napkin.
That's too dark.
Do we need another napkin, Leah? Leah, look up at Dad. No? Oh, we missed it. We missed it. We missed the hole there. Oh, goodness sakes.
Are you supposed to put some brown sugar in there or something to make it taste better?
Probably.
Some
Load
of
it up
that,
with sugar, huh?
some of that corn syrup in there.
You like corn syrup, don't you? Yes, you do. Tiger wants some. Take it down,
You're getting the hang of it now.
Working on it.
Hey, Tiger.
Leah, is that yummy? Are you saving some on your fingers for later? There you go. That was a bite.
All right.
Oh. That's so gross when it comes out. So you have some of this? Mmm. Should we make Dad some cereal for dinner? Huh? Let's make Daddy and Gavin some of this for dinner.
Just think, kid, you'll be doing this for me in 25 years.
Probably looks just as messy.
Until I dump a load in my pants and you gotta change them.
Your daddy is dirty. Yeah.
Doing a good job.
Well, thank you.
I mean,
Oh, you meant Liam.
Yeah. Well, anyone can hold a spoon.
I just have to make it the right consistency. What do you think, kiddo?
How's that taste?
It's all over.
You ready to let Mommy have some of it back?
Nope, Mom's going to work. That's it now. Oh, would you rather eat your food? Now we got it all over your nose, too. Oh, yeah. Let's make lots of more laundry. Let's make lots more laundry. Let's wash some more clothes today. Let's go. Oop. You're about done? Well, I made 1 tablespoonful.
That's good. That's all?
Yeah, I only made 1 tablespoon.